back to my channel. This is another video of Dubai trip.
Yeah, so today is gonna be all about sand. Right now we are actually at the Half Desert Road in Dubai. So basically there's a strip of highway, half of it is basically covered in sand. So definitely you need a 4x4 to drive through those roads. And later on today we're also going to take you to one of the most iconic beach here in Dubai, as well as some traditional local cuisine, Yemeni mandi. So stay tuned, it'll be fun today.
Yeah, let's check out the Half Desert Road first.
Yeah.
From the darkness into the fire, I rose. From the concrete into the dragon, I drove. I can see my hopes and dreams trying to fly away. Oh, my desires like a fire, running wild. Whoa, nothing's gonna bring me down. I can take a shame, put some respect on my name. You can try to burn me, I can take the pain. I will rise up through that flame. There's pain in the water. I was slain by the wave. Down in the...
So we are here at the La Mer Beach. We're at the restaurant called Al Greco. It's a Mediterranean style. We're just gonna get some brunch because we didn't eat any breakfast. After this we're gonna head out to the beach and try to get some tan.
Look, I'm already so tan.
I need more tan.
Take a deepest breath. Traded in for new. I got all these feelings when I look at you. I'm seeing blue skies, sunrise, sun in your eyes. I'm not wasting more time.
How was the salad?
It was pretty nice, you know. Greek salad will always be Greek salad, you know.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really fresh and the sauce was really good.
Yeah, because we have a heavy meal tonight, so kind of wanna
yeah.
save some appetite.
Yeah, was just planning to eat some snacks, but you know, that turned out to be great. Now that we're done, we're gonna go to the beach and catch a couple hours of sunlight before it goes down.
Yeah, and watch sunset too.
Yep. sun is set now. There's still some light left. We are just here having some green tea and wait till the night views come out. Yeah, it's very relaxing and chill. If you guys do come to La Mer Beach, definitely come to this one because there's those comfortable, comfy beanbags. And also there are a lot of locals who just bring their carpets out and having picnics out here. So if you guys want to rent a bleacher on the beach, it's 120 dirhams. But if you guys just come to this restaurant, it's free to use the beanbags or their sea view tables, and you can just order drinks and you can sit there forever. I mean, like until they close for the day. It gets a little bit chilly during the night. Well, I guess the weather has changed now in Dubai.
Seems like it's finally dark.
It's a little bit chilly on the beach. Get the breeze from the sea. It's actually pretty cold. So now we are off the beach, coming here, enjoy some nice scenes.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk around.
Yeah, the lightnings
See
here.
the decorations.
Yeah, the lightnings here are pretty fantastic.
I've forgotten more people than I have ever known. It's not that I want to, it's just this road gets really long. There is one thing that I know: give what you got to give, you will never be alone. Everybody saying, doctor, please, there's a hole in me, can you fill it up? Say, doctor, please, there's a hole in me.
We are here at the Zamzam restaurant now. They specialize in traditional Yemeni mandi, which is basically just lamb with rice, Yemeni style. You must have to try it if you are in the region, because that's what local people eat as well. Something special about this Zamzam restaurant is that they have those special rooms where you can just sit on the carpet and dine here. Like there are table options downstairs, but if you just come upstairs to the second floor, there are these rooms for families where, you know, this is like the traditional Arabic way of style of family gatherings, and that's how they eat.
And privacy too.
Yeah, they actually have the curtains as well to cover up the doors, I guess.
Okay, enjoy. Thank you.
Here we have it. So actually we ordered the shoulders, but they ran out of the shoulders, so we got the ribs part instead. There are some fried onions on top, some quail eggs, and then of course we got the rice in the bottom, and those meat should be melting in the mouth per se. can eat it very civilized using your forks and spoons. But today I'm gonna go savage mode. I'm gonna use my hand. I've showed you guys before how to eat it with hand. So basically you just grab a piece of meat, yeah, and then grab some rice, use these 4 fingers to push it, basically mush it, and then just push it into your mouth using the thumb.
Just like this guy. See?
Wow, just look at that piece of meat. Literally melts in your mouth. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Here we have legumat. We ate it once before in Gobo Village. Let's try how their legumat is. It should be nice, crispy, and sweet. I think this one's better than the one that we tried at the Gobo Village because it's a lot more puff, I guess.
This one's better.
Yeah. Like I said.
More chewy.
Hello guys, we are here at the Papa Kunafa store. So they are specializing kunafa, of course, by the name. This is the most popular kunafa delivery store here. So basically everybody will just order kunafa during Ramadan and enjoy it with the family. They have all kinds of different flavors like Kinder flavor, pistachio, or traditional Turkish kunafa. So let's try it out, find out. Come with me. Alright guys, here we have it. So we ordered 1 plate of pistachio kunafa, Turkish kunafa. You can see there's a lot of pistachio on top of it. And on your left hand side, these are called legumat papa. So it's basically just bite-sized kunafas, but they made into like mini sizes once. Also, they are being very generous about pistachios. You don't typically see this anywhere. They put a lot of pistachios. For the Turkish kunafa, we ordered the cheese with it, and this one we had cream inside. Alright guys, let's dig in. So here we also have the Kinder kunafa, and this one is the kunafa with cheese. This one they already put sugar on the bottom. You don't have to put any sugar anymore, and that's the perfect amount. It's not too sweet. It's definitely not too sweet. And the cheese, oh my god, it's right out of the oven. As you can see, it's just so good.
Let me try it. It's perfect sweet because you can control how much syrup you want. not every Papa Kunafa store you can dine in.
Yeah.
Most stores, they only do takeout orders or delivery.
Yeah.
You can just order that and take it to your hotel or wherever you stay.
Yep. If you want it fresh, don't forget to come to Papa Kunafa, Awaka branch. And make sure to order the Arabic coffee from them. They've done a great job at the flavors. Do you eat again when you go back to the States?
I don't know where can I buy that.
We have in USA now, in California, and San Diego.
Okay, San Diego. So which one's your favorite?
So all four of them were good, but I think I love the Kinder one the most. It just the sauce and the cream and the kunafa itself is just extremely crispy. Everything just goes really well.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Just chilling and eating and eating.
Yeah,
I'm
we
getting 10
still
pounds.
have so much kunafa left. If you guys like today's video, don't forget that we have other videos about best local restaurants and best places to visit and hang out at. So please check those videos out, and as always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Bye guys.